Alright, everybody, bringing the trash out. No, I haven't posted a while. Sorry about that. Sorry about not posting in a while. I'm about to take the trash out. I don't know how well you can see that, but I wouldn't call it a blizzard, but there's a massive snowstorm going on out here. Assuming it's pretty snow. Oh, cold at least. Oh, well, that's cold. Alright. Tis that time of the year. Of course my foot itches. Why would it not? Not as bad as the year as I thought it would be, but it's pretty dang cold. Ah, yeah, that's not a pleasant feeling, snow on my face. Hey, Dad. No. Alright. I'll meet you inside, Dad, okay? I have your extra keys in my pocket. Okay, never mind. Alright. Alright. Oh, my phone's getting kind of wet. Walgreens over there. My phone's really blurry though, so it's hard to see. I can enjoy my walk back without having trash on my arm. Switch over my left hand real quick. Alright. We're here. I love Waterville in the wintertime. It looks amazing. Does it feel amazing? God, no. But there should be some footage of me just enjoying some walks around Waterville this winter. One in. Trash bag was heavy. Alright. Alright. Oh yeah, that's slush. That's very slushy. Here, let me do you a favor. Someone has their things up. There you go. This is ice, I think. It's very hard ice, isn't it, guys? Oh yeah, that's a breeze. That's a breeze. Huh. I'm not a huge fan of... Well, doesn't this look amazing? I love the look of Waterville in winter. It just looks amazing. On Christmas Eve last year, we spent Christmas Eve at our dad's house. Some guy was ticked off that he had to spend Christmas Eve on dumpster duty or something. And he was just making a loud commotion till like 4 in the morning with a friggin' machine in the dumpster. Barely got any sleep that morning, but still had a good... Barely got any sleep on Christmas Eve, but still had a good sleep and good Christmas. Ow. Sorry for not posting lately. I just kind of forget to post sometimes, which isn't great, obviously, but winter might be one of my favorite times to film videos. I haven't filmed in the winter yet, so I guess I'll